In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of tomatoes, a delicious and versatile fruit that is not only loved for its refreshing taste but also offers a plethora of advantages for our health. Whether you consume them raw in a salad, cooked in a hot dish, or in the form of juice, tomatoes are a nutritional treasure trove, and we're about to uncover their secrets. First and foremost, tomatoes are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which is responsible for their vibrant red color. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in our bodies, which can damage our cells and contribute to premature aging and various diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of tomatoes can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Apart from their antioxidant properties, tomatoes are also an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. A single tomato can provide a significant portion of our recommended daily intake of these vital nutrients. Another major advantage of tomatoes is their low-calorie content, making them an excellent food for those looking to lose weight or maintain a balanced diet. By incorporating tomatoes into your meals, you can enjoy their juicy texture and savory taste while controlling your calorie intake. Speaking of texture, tomatoes are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent gastrointestinal problems. Fiber also aids in regulating blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent the condition. For those concerned about their eye health, tomatoes can be of great assistance. Thanks to their vitamin A and beta-carotene content, they contribute to maintaining good vision and preventing age-related eye diseases, such as macular degeneration. Beyond internal health benefits, tomatoes also offer advantages for our skin. The antioxidants present in this fruit can help protect our skin from UV sun damage, thereby reducing the risk of sunburn and premature aging of the skin. Some research even suggests that topical application of tomato juice can help reduce acne and improve skin radiance. Another important point is that tomatoes can aid in strengthening our immune system. With their vitamin C content, they play a key role in stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections and diseases. Lastly, let's not forget that tomatoes are an excellent ally for heart health. Studies have shown that regular consumption can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, in the blood, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. In conclusion, tomatoes are much more than just a culinary ingredient. They are a fruit with countless health benefits, ranging from antioxidant properties to benefits for the skin, heart, and immune system. So, the next time you enjoy a salad, homemade tomato sauce, or fresh juice, remember that you're not only savoring a taste delight but also indulging in a true nutrient bomb for your body. Don't hesitate to incorporate more tomatoes into your diet to fully enjoy all these benefits and take care of your health in a delicious and natural way. Bon appétit!